Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this list we have to scroll down and find Personalization. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, so we can check the wallpaper which we've got currently applied. And now all we have to do is to scroll down to find online wallpapers. So those are, as it is said, available online, so you need the internet connection to be able to find something here. But they are free of charge, so you can freely download them. You can simply tap on online wallpapers or tap on find more and enter the themes. And under it you still got system wallpapers which are pre-installed. After tapping on more, you will be transferred to much more options from which you can choose, so floral arrangements, for example, nature, gradient, etc. So no worries, if you don't want to download anything, then you can still change your wallpaper. So let me choose maybe this one, it's quite pretty. If we will find the wallpaper which we would like to apply, we have to tap on it. So let me tap on it. As you can see, it will appear on the full screen, and depending on the specific wallpaper, you will be able to change the position of it slightly. It depends, as I said. So let me position it just like that, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, or you can add it to the wallpaper carousel if you're using this option. I'm not using that, so I'll choose set as both. I don't agree. And as you can see, we've got this information that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. We are also using dynamic colors, which means that the colors for the system are taken from the wallpaper. So they are creating a composition together. So now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.